Hi, this is a short video about how to make a video without going on camera. And so you won't see me on camera at any point in this next short video. I've used Vidnami for this. You can use others, and I'm going to add another link to one with slightly more detail, but I just really wanted to show you how you can make a very simple video using all of the tools that are available for you. I hope you enjoy this short video. Please leave a comment and subscribe. There's details at the end of what's included in the free bonus pack if you're interested. And I'll include a link to that in the description. About a year ago, I realised just how important video was for any marketer or business owner, especially YouTube and how it impacts your Google search rankings. The problem was I was a beginner at making videos and I didn't really want to put my face on camera like most of us. In fact, I didn't even want to speak. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing Vidnami, and it automatically creates videos for you in just a few clicks. And no, I've decided not to go on camera for this one, just to prove that you really can do it. Vidnami really is worth looking at if you're new to making videos. And as you get more experience, you can start to explore all the other features. There are lots of other features, so you can really use it whether you're experienced or not, but it's great for the beginner as well. You can upload your own photographs, your own videos, you can make your own infomercial, you can do a live screen record, you can upload your own audio, but at the start you really don't need to do any of these things. So I'm going to show you how to make a video with just the basics using Vidnami. I could have done this as a product video, but I wanted to show you the first template that I used before I had a pre-made video. I'm using Vidnami's own pictures, except where I've added in screenshots of what I've done to make this specific video. So the first thing I'm going to do, which is on the top left, is select a template, and then I'm going to upload this script. I have pre-written this script in Word and just cut and paste it. You can just cut and paste it over into Vidnami, and then once I've done that, I'm just going to click Review Scenes. And if I don't like any of the pictures, I can easily change them by going to the scenes and adding a new one from the media library. That's on the left, and you'll see it upload photograph if you've got one of your own that you want to add, or upload a video if you've got a video, or you can select from all of the Canva from all the Vidnami media options. There's loads there. But in this example, I've added my own screen grabs of me making this actual video. And then I can preview it again, and then change or amend any of the pictures or images or videos that I want to, even the script actually, but try not to mess too much with that. So the next thing that Vidnami makes you do is record your voice. You can't go on to the full preview step until you've actually recorded every sentence, and it gives you each sentence at a time. Then of course I'll preview that again and just check that I'm happy with what it looks like. And then if I'm happy with it, I then just click the download button, and that's my video ready. What I really like about Vidnami is that you don't need to do any video editing at all. It's just great when you first start. You don't have to worry about things. If you want to, you can chuck it into iMovie. I'm using a Mac, and cut out gaps and whatnot, but you really don't have to do that. And it really helps you with how you speak. It's hard enough, not wanting to put your face on camera, but speaking is also a bit of a pain in the neck because you're always worrying about remembering your script and remembering all the points that you want to make. Now you get a lot of support also with Vidnami in the Facebook community. I've found it incredibly helpful. It's just a really good tool to get started. What I don't like is that you do need to think a bit sometimes about how you use your pictures and videos. If you don't want any of the pre-selected ones, you can just be a bit tricky to find out how to insert them. And also, if you go back and make some changes, sometimes it wipes all of your audio. So just be careful how you're doing things, and just pay attention. But it's really a small complaint because that maybe happens to me 1 out of 10 times. But overall, I find it incredibly useful. I've been using it for a long time now. I use other tools that always seem to return to Vidnami at some point for one thing or another. As you get more experienced and braver, of course, then you start to try out some more of the features. So how much does it cost? Vidnami costs $47 a month, and it has a 14-day trial. Now I've got a special offer here with 25% off, so you can get it for $35 a month, and with that you get your free video marketing bonus pack with lots of extras in there, which I'll try and give you a quick review of at the end of this video. Big help here is that you get 30,000 music tracks now that you can pay around $9-10 for music, so that's pretty useful. But as I say, there's a link below with the 25% off for life with the free marketing pack, and now if you don't want to do that, then join, and make sure that you join with the 14-day trial. I hope you found that useful.